Hey guys, what's up? It's Sean, Autotopia LA, and behind me here you see this beautiful 69 Camaro. If you want details on this car, there's an episode we did earlier on with this car up in the canyons, giving you a lot of the details on it. Today's not about the details on this car. Today is simply an episode where Kyle and I go to my client's house and pick this up and drive it back here to the shop. This is gonna be a fun one, I promise, so sit back and hold on, because here we go, man. Hey guys, so if you haven't seen it before, this is the 69 twin turbo Camaro that my buddy Mike owns. It was built by Timeless Kustoms. So if you want details, go to that video because there's a ton of details. By the way, if any of you guys don't know this guy,
right on, guys.
This is Kyle. Kyle does all the editing, so if you follow the channel and you like what you've been seeing the last few months, that's 100% Kyle taking over. So we're picking up this car today, taking it back to my shop for my friend Mike. So yes, part of my job, it's a tough one.
Driving cool cars.
Gotta drive shit like this.
Yeah. Feels so smooth, man. I feel like we're in a brand new car. That's the best way to put it.
Yeah.
But this thing's 50 years old.
Yeah, but it feels like you're in a modern muscle car, because you really are, you know?
What kind of chassis is it?
Art Morrison.
Art Morrison, yeah, wow.
Yep, so it's a full chassis build, C7 front clip. Can't remember all the, I think it's triangulated, 4-link rear. Can't remember for sure. If I remember correctly, it's an LSX block, LS9 top. I think it's like 750 horsepower, which is funny, dude. The world we live in now, it wasn't that long ago where you were like, yeah, motherfucker, my car makes 750.
Now it's like...
Now you're like, oh, yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. Not 1,000, but...
The reality is, 750 is a whole ton of power, man. You get in trouble in a quick second.
Definitely.
Let's leave a little room ahead of us. Okay. Okay.
There you go.
So up around 4,500 is when the turbos are spooled. And yes, that got my blood pumping.
That's what's up.
Did you feel it kick a little bit?
Just a bit.
Yeah, I got out of it at 4,500.
You can feel it though. You feel it building. It's about to hit it. God damn.
Proud, huh?
It's a lot of power, man. It's like you know the drop is about to come, and God.
Right? Like you get that little bit of throwback in your seat.
I know everybody who's watching can't feel what it's like, but it's so smooth. It's so calm, collected, and then once you get on it, it's wild.
Yeah.
But right now, it's so good and calm, like easy suspension.
It's like cruising in a muscle car.
Oh my God, that sneeze is
You
beautiful.
feel it just begging to
Yeah,
unload.
it wants to go.
I like these gauges too. They're super. They've been used a million times, but it's because they really work. You know, you can read them clearly. There is something about a manual, gotta admit. Not for me, for everyday driving in LA traffic to have to clutch all the time like you do.
Yeah, I love it though. I mean, I don't even notice that I'm shifting and stuff like that.
Like it doesn't bother you sitting in traffic and on and off, on and off, on and off the clutch.
Here's my thing. Traffic sucks no matter what. Automatic or manual, so I sacrifice having the manual, so when I'm not in traffic and I'm in the canyons, I've got my manual.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
Totally get
Jeez,
it.
that motor sounds so good. Like the motor on its own sounds really good. And then it has turbos too. Like it's perfect.
My only gripe, I gotta be honest, is the friggin' fuel smell.
Yeah.
You guys are lucky you can't smell what I'm smelling right now, because it smells like you just poured gas everywhere. Having fun, man. And this is actually work right now. You know that,
Yeah, right?
This is part of my job.
We're making content. That's what we're doing.
Yeah. I'm like service related for one of my clients. I mean,
Yeah.
it's a buddy, but it's like it's definitely a service item.
Totally.
Do not want boost coming on in this
I know.
traffic, right?
It's teasing us right now. That's all this turbo is doing. I
Yeah.
would never be able to have a turbo car. I'd always want to punch it.
You'd want to be in boost all
Yeah.
the time, huh? I love that wastegate sound.
Oh, same. Oh my God. It goes so was the most fun I've had in traffic.
That was a good
That was
drive.
awesome. That was awesome.
That was definitely a good drive.